Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rika Nurkarim from Diploma 3 Nursing Asia University. Okay, in this presentation, we will discuss about tips and tricks for listening question. But first, I will provide of overview these talks in general. TOEFL listening question have 3 parts. Listening part A have 30 questions. It's about short conversation. Listening part B have each to 10 questions. It's about extended conversation. Listening part C have 10 to 12 questions. It's about long talk. And title item in listening question is 30 test items. Listening question part C. In this presentation, I will focus on listening question part C. It's different from other part that have two ways conversation. On listening question part C, we will listening to someone talks monologue explaining something. In part C of the test, you will hear a longer conversation and talks. After talks, we will hear some question. You will hear that the talks and question about them only one time. They will not or be written off for you. Strategies for part C listening question. 1. Review the answer to the listening part C question. 2. Listen careful of the talks. 3. Ask you listen to the talks, follow along with the answer in your talks textbooks. And 3. To determine the correct answer. 4. You should guess even if you are not sure. 5. Any remaining time to look ahead at answer to question that follow. Then after you her question, read the ask problem answer on the screen and scribe the best answer by clicking on it. Skill 10, the question. It is very helpful to be able to answer individual question that accompanying the talks. 3. To anticipate what the question we will be and listen specifically for the answer to short question. Example, number 1. In your textbooks, you write A. The person might B. The person might get loss of helpful nutrients. C. The person enjoy it, and what more? D. The person might become the grouse. Okay, now we can estimate the right question for the answer for choice, like what will happen to the person. Then number 2, we can estimate the question like how many. And also number 3 is who. Skill 11, the topic. As you listen to each long talk, you should be thinking about the topic for main idea for each talk. Since the sentence is generally a topic sentence, you should be asking yourself the topic. Example, the narrator. Listen to talk at start of meeting. Woman, I would like to call this meeting to order now. This is the third monthly meeting of the science club this semester, and today we need to discuss upcoming science there. The topic of the talk is a meeting of the science club to discuss the science fair. Skill 12, the order and the answer. The answer to the question accompanying long talk are generally found in order in the talk. It means as you listen to a talk, you should be thinking about answer to the question in the order that they are listed in the textbooks. Example, the narrator. Question 1, talk 3 listen to a talks about cat. The woman, many people are allergic to cat if they come in contact with their scents. Their skin thrown red and their ears being to burn. However, it's not only people who suffer from allergies. Cats might also be allergic to pollen, dust, and perfume. Many of some allergies that cause allergies. Very variable can prescribe medication to help solve the problems. At the same times, in your textbooks, you can answer. Number one, what happiness do people suffer from allergies? You can answer the signs. Number two, what is married about cat? You can answer they can have allergies. Number three, what can someone do with a cat that has allergies? You also, my answer is give medicine. Thank you for watching. Mohon maaf bila ada kesalahan dan kekurangan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.